Hey, bro, you know what's crazy?
Yeah, what?
A few years ago, if you wanted to build a business, everyone expected you to have an office.
Yeah, that's true. It was almost seen as a requirement.
Now it feels like everything has changed.
It really has, because these days you can run meetings, send invoices, market your business, and talk to customers all from home.
And with AI, one person can do the work that used to take like a whole team.
Exactly. The other big change is internet. Getting connected isn't a challenge anymore. Starlink has made the whole process much simpler.
Zimbabwe's always had people with good ideas. Maybe there's a better chance of turning those ideas into something big.
And if you've got a good idea, there's a lot less standing in your way than there was a few years ago.
I've actually been thinking about getting a Starlink, but the whole process just seemed like it's a mission.
Bruh, I've told you so many times, man, that I work at Frampol.
I actually forgot.
Man, it's honestly straightforward. We supply the Starlink kit, handle the installation, and set up the subscription, and we even give you a free monitoring platform so you can manage your services yourself.
Fair enough. Maybe it's time I stop talking about my ideas and actually, start working on it.
Exactly. We'll handle the connection, you focus on building the business.